In this video, let us understand how to make online recruitment website for a companies. So when the companies have a job openings, they can post the jobs and the applicant can apply and they can take up the job. So it's a ASP.NET project with C# language and backend as a SQL server. So we all know like all the companies they have openings. So when they have openings in their website they can post. So here is an example like how we can do this. So this project basically for CS student, computer science student who are doing any computer science course, and as part of the curriculum if they need to do a project, so here this video will help them to make the project. First let's understand what are the things we can add up in this project. So here we have a recruitment system. So we can have admin. This is the company side. Company can post the job. So there is also some master entries like qualifications, skill required, then city, which city they come from. So these are the major entries, master entries that you need to enter, and the corresponding list can also be viewed. But the important one is a post job. Now if we take the applicant, so what applicant does, he can sign up to this website, then he can log in. So you can view the jobs. What are the jobs available? You can able to view it. Then you can apply for the job. So after apply, you need to take the test. Then there is a view message and send message. Now whenever you apply for a job, the message will comes to you. Therefore you can able to view this message. And if you are selected, again in the message it's available. On the other side, here is a applicant list or the user list. So here applied, so this is applied list, job applied list. Then test marks. Then selection. So when you do the selection, so this message will come to the user. So that means indicating that you are selected for this particular post. So this is what important, because you can post the job here. This is what one important thing. On the other side, they can able to view the jobs. What are the jobs are available? For that they can apply the job. Once you apply, you can able to see the list here. And then you need to take the corresponding test and the test marks will be displayed over there. So based on that, they'll do the selection. Once you're selected, the message will comes to you. So this is how the whole concept works in the online recruitment. This demo will show you like how exactly practically it looks like. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. We are bringing a lot of videos here. They definitely help you for your project purpose and as well as the job purpose. So by watching this, you can also make projects and learn yourself how to make the projects. Also you can right click here and then open in a new tab. Here you can click on videos, and here you can able to browse all the videos which are already posted. So we have a lot of videos related to the projects, so therefore keep watch. And also you can learn, like we are explained like how to make the C# project step by step. Also we are explained like how to make the VB.NET project. Like that we are explained all the projects here. Therefore you can always learn from this. Okay, now we'll move on. So here is the web recruitment or online recruitment. So these are the files which you are using in this project, and here we have a database, and here you can see the tables. Fine. Now in order to run this project, you can select the project and then you can run from here. Fine. So we'll move on. We can go to admin login. So here are the main options like city names. You can see the list. We already listed some city. If you want one more city, you have to go to city name. You have to enter the city and then details. Next, job categories. So what are the different type of category jobs that you have to enter? Qualification list. What are the applicant qualifications? So we need to list out all the qualifications here. Therefore, it will be easy for the applicant to select the qualification from the list. So here we have entered 2 only, but you can keep on enter all the data here. Next is the skill. What are the skills required? So that information. Next, what are the department in the company, what are the department you are having, that details. Next, job openings. So what are the job openings? So therefore you can see what the data is already entered, so that will come automatically. We can select the department, we select the category, what qualification is required, that we can select, what is the skill required, we can select all these things, and then if you save, then openings will be created. So we already have an opening here, software developer 00. So let's try with this. So you can enter the more questions here for each particular job. What are the questions you want to enter? You can enter the question, and here it is the correct answer. So these questions will be appear in the applicant side, and there is also FAQ, frequently asked questions. That is the one. Then job wise applicant list. So if I select this and if I search, there is one applicant is already applied. So in order to apply this, so you have to go to another tab. So copy the main address. So now we can enter. So we can sign up as applicant here. So now I already have applicant name A1, so therefore we can log in. So view jobs and apply. So in Bangalore, what are the jobs are available, so that we can see it here. So now, so it's already test is taken. Okay, I'll take once again. So here you have to choose the answer here. Fine. So next, it's completed now. So if you test result, so it'll show the result here. Fine. Now if we go here, so search jobs in the admin side, test result, you can see the test result here. Then applicant selections. Now if you select, it means that you have selected this particular person for the posting. Now here on the user side, if you go to view messages, so you will get the message you are selected for this particular post. So user will get the message indicating that he is selected for the particular post. So that's how the whole concept works. So therefore you can apply, you can take the test, you can see the result, and if you selected, the message will come to you so that you are selected. And the company can send you one more message when you have to come and contact them. So this is how the whole web requirement works in the basic level. Hope you understand the concept. So please try this. So if you have any doubt, let me know what are the doubts you are having. And also we have different videos like how to make login page, how to create the database. So please watch them too, then it will be easy for you to make the project. Thank you.